What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to this episode of Life of a Jobbing Plumber. We're back on the bath with 4 tap holes that was leaking and it come through the ceiling, and we ended up taking the bath out. That might jog your memory. Yeah, we're back here. We were supposed to be changing the bath. However, we're not anymore. We're now changing the taps for something like this. This is going to be fun. So, the hot and colds are blanked off at the minute on these isolation valves, straight into the flexi. Yeah, the jacuzzi part doesn't work, so we've got some sort of filler off. I don't understand how these work, so yeah. That's gonna have to come off and be blanked because we don't need that anymore. We're gonna continue getting the rest of these taps out. The bath fills through this bath filler here, so we're gonna need to connect back onto that. Got a shower attachment, and the way it looks like these taps connect up, you connect them up from the top. So that'll slide up like that. The chrome cover, that little ring, we'll pull it down. It's been a while since I've done anything like this, probably 10 years. So come along and enjoy the ride. Just whip off all these flexes first. I think they all need replacing. They'll all be as old as the bath, which that's anyone's guess, isn't it? Should have just changed the bath. Right, this should pull out, but I think they've just put a Jubilee clip on it to stop it from pulling through the hole, which is a bit different. No, still won't. So these chrome covers should undo off. Getting a grip on them though, that's the problem. That's all turning, so that's good. Yeah. 4 tap holes ready. Well, them instructions are absolute garbage. But I think we better copy what they've done. Hot on the left, cold on the right. I need to remember that I'm the opposite way around. Diverter in the middle. And shower can go back in where it was. Marble 8. So this is the shower one with the angle on. So as with anything that you're not fully confident with, my best advice is start off with the ones that are pretty damn obvious where they're going. And then redo it when you got it wrong. It's not a normal shower hose, this. It's got a 3/8 connection on. Better put the head on there before that drops inside. Lovely that. These are labelled up. You probably can't see that, but there is a little C on there, and obviously a H on the other one. Let's think about which way I'm looking. So that C needs to go on this side. However, we want the same height sticking up through the bath. So we'll get our hot. Take those 2 on. And put them side by side and just check. Or even we could count the threads. Or measure. Measure. It's got a bloody washer on it. $20mm. Not quite 20mm. Perfect, so those 2 washer back on. That's the hot, so that's going to be here, up like that. Chrome cover with washer on, or an O-ring. Same principle again with this diverter. You just drop everything off full like I keep doing. The only problem with this is it doesn't say which is hot and which is cold, which is absolutely fantastic. That's going to be the outlet, which I'm probably going to... Oh, it's going to be interesting because if I have it pointing to the back wall there, it's going to hit the wall. If I have it pointing to there, it's going to hit the bath. Might have to have it on an angle, that one. Don't matter which is hot and cold, does it? That doesn't divert, that only diverts it between bath and shower. Better warm this one up. Hopefully that won't land in the water, which it does. So that one's moving up, which is no problem. Leave that there for now. And worry about how we're going to connect these up. I'm going to guess as the bottom is going to be the inlets, the hot and cold inlets, and these side ones are going to be the outlets up to which they've sent this flexi and this flexi. I don't know why they're different lengths. I'm sure we'll find out. Now either I'm being really stupid or these tap holes should be spaced further apart. There's no way that. Just going to connect onto there and there. And that's the short one. Right, it's best not to ask. My God, enough flexes. This is going to look absolutely horrendous, but should do the job. We'll swap these flexes over. Again. What are you whispering for? Did you fetch that copper up?
Yeah, just outside the doorway, I think.
It's out of my reach. May have to caption this with how not to connect a 4 tap hole bath up. I know I could have used brass male irons to reduce it down and etc. But I'll be pretty confident that once these flexes are in and back, then it's back together, the bath's in. And we're not going to have any leaks, they're all brand new. Right, this is our bath filler, which is actually very loose. Don't know what's going to be best for this, we might have to chase out the wall behind us. Look at the absolute state. The only thing I'm concerned about is that one, where my finger is, and also this one because it's sticking out further than the bath. Could do some angled 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch angled elbows. But before I do anything else now, I've got to make sure I've got an 1/2 inch cap for after that, which I will have. Go and get one of them. See what I've got, see if I can sort that out. If I can't, I can't. And then it's ready for hot and cold connecting back onto the existing supplies, powering up, checking for any leaks, running it probably into a bucket and putting the bath back together. Looks absolutely atrocious. I always get all shit jobs, mate. Good job, don't see hair coming out of it.
No drop in it.
Why is washer never attached to a trap?
Isn't it?
It sounds like a you problem. Oh, now he brushes up. Bath's running. Bloody hell. I don't like how that fills.
What tills?
Fills.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it?
But yours not. Have you never used this bath?
Yeah.
I mean, it's funny, is that now how it's always done it?
I always remember it like that now. I thought it does mustard on. So what do you do now?
Hot and cold.
Yeah.
So you mix the oven then up to whatever temperature you want. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this will divert it.
Some pressure on that.
So that is water back on. Because there's still a hole in the ceiling downstairs, I'll just pop my head up and see. Make sure there's no leaks around the back. There's no leaks on the trap I can see. This bath wants screwing back to the wall. 2 brackets. Siliconing up. And then the bath panel on, which it's not my problem. I'm like, oh. Maybe I should have wound that one up a little bit more. Can you see where the handle's finishing there? Probably wants that shroud bringing up higher. God damn it, should have thought about that. Let's see what these two fit like instead. Oh, that's perfect. Whoa. The Italians will be proud of the spaghetti under here, you know.
What's that?
The Italians will be proud of the spaghetti under here.
Oh, fucking hell.
It's not leaking though, and it works. Beautiful. Suppose it looks alright from here. Once panel's back on, you'll never know the effort that went into piping it up. It'll do.